We put a thunder shirt on the dog, not so much to serve the purpose of calming the dog, although if it does, that's great, but more so to keep the wires in place, because there's the wires, the electrodes that go in the head, and then you have the inserts, and you want to keep them separate. So the thunder shirt has a little flap that the electrodes kind of go in, and then we insert those in the 4 places of the head. They're like acupuncture needles. You do need training for that. They're subdermal. You lift up the skin. You need training for that, which you would get through the certification if you went through the certification in animal audiology. And then we put this insert in the ear, just like we use the same inserts for dogs that we use for humans, which delivers the sound stimulus. And then we run the test.